Hello, hello, everyone. Long time no see. It's Anahata. How are you? I would use my hand to give you a namaste, but I am coming at you live from Colorado. And so I'm in my old room. I've got my phone in my hand and just hanging out for the week. But there's been a theme that I really wanted to just check in with you all about. Hi, Courtney. How are you, love? Hi, Denise. I'm coming at you live. Hi, Sheila. How are you guys? Hey, guys. So I wanted to talk to you all. Hi, Jason. How are you? About relationships and my take on the secret to a happy relationship. And of course, you've heard, happiness starts inside first and all of the cliches about this. But really, I want to hit home something from a law of attraction and the way the universe flows to you to hopefully make a difference for you in your relationships. And then, of course, install an assisting frequency. So this will be a short medicine for the moment. You're tired. Well, this is going to help you. And you are in Missouri, Courtney. Hello, Sharon. How are you? Yay, you're live. Usually you're in replay. Hi, Chrissy O'Brien. How are you, darling? I'm back in Colorado for a few days. Okay, so guys, the topic of this medicine for the moment is how to make relationships thrive. And it is ironic because it is all about your own perception, not theirs. You would think with a relationship, it's like two halves of a whole. But when you can come at it from the law of attraction and the way the universe is set up, you realize that you only ever experience what you are a vibrational match to. What this means is that you are only going to encounter the things which are a vibrational match to you. And guess what? You have ultimate control over everything that you're aligned with. Now, we live in an inclusive universe, and that means there is no. That means whatever you focus on, you're energizing and you are saying yes to. This is where we get into a lot of traps with dysfunctional relationships where we are confirming the dysfunctional patterns. And when we're focused on them and we're focused on what's not working and what we don't like and what bothers me and what they aren't doing for us, etc., and fill in the blank, you actually are energizing that probability through the law of attraction. And so the remedy for all of this, which is what I wanted to talk to you about, is one word. Actually, it's two. Unconditional love. This means stopping the cycle of madness, making your happiness dependent on the other person, on what they do for you or don't do for you, what's happening conditionally. We have to get out of this cycle of loving in response to the condition, right? It's the only way to break free and truly command to you the relationship that you envision. And so you have to transcend condition, right? You have to stop focusing in on, well, it would be nice if they did this or did that or did the other, because what you're doing is focusing on they're not doing this, they're not doing that, the other. And you're beating that drum vibrationally. And so really transcending into a place where you are unconditionally in love with this person. And the best way to do that, and again, I know it's cliche, is to start within and to love yourself unconditionally. So this is love transcendent of external conditions. Now we're going to get into the paradigm of this because I want you to really understand that when you say, I will love this person when they fill in the blank, you are setting up a surefire way of failure. Because what's happening now is actually vibrations from the past. And so when you make it about when they do this, it's an improbability because it has to start now in the absence of what you want. I hope that makes sense. The when is now because that will be the future. So it's all about choosing in this moment. You don't wait. That's why when people say, I'll be happy when, well, the happiness will never come, because you have to be happy in the absence of it to be a match to the happiness which will co-create as a result of that, right? Woo! Time paradigm. So it's all about not making it conditional, because when you make it conditional, you're saying when this occurs, then this will be. But the when will never happen because it's in the now, and it has to happen. You have to be in alignment with it before it occurs. So it really is a catch-22. 22 is my favorite number. But it has to start now. And so to start now, I really encourage you to start practicing unconditional love and seeing what that will do when you focus and you say yes, and you say yes to it by focusing on unconditional love. A good way to do this is, again, to stop projecting, your list of wants into the future, because you have to be happy with where you're at right now. So start really focusing in on self-love unconditionally. Start understanding that when you choose to focus on the greatness of the other person, the things you love and adore, the things that don't annoy you, the things that you want more of, you're going to actually energize that probability. Now, if you frankly can't see it in the other person and you're like, well, they're never, then you are going to cycle that never around again and again. So find what you do love, project that out through choosing that for yourself, and then you will rendezvous with these people in the best times when they are at their best. Because again, you only experience what you're a vibrational match to. So for this medicine for the moment, unconditional love, to remedy all relationships and go ahead and co-create and set the fertile soil needed to reap your wildest dreams of perfection in the future by not focusing on what is or the past or what you want to be, which is not a match yet. I want to offer you rose quartz. Beautiful vibration. This vibration, it's a crystal, and we're going to install it. The assisting frequency is all about unconditional love, trust, and harmony within your relationships. So that's perfect, right? And then also self-love. So this is going to give you deep inner healing for yourself, because again, we experience what we're a vibrational match to. And if we are being conditional about ourselves, you bet that we're going to be experiencing conditional love from others. So this is an all-around unconditional love vibe that you're going to align with, and it's going to help you build a fertile soil to go ahead and cultivate the relationships you want now without seeing the verification of it in the now, right? We got to stop focusing on the is or the desire of what we want when we're beating the drum of the opposite of what is, because that's what we're commanding. And so this is just going to allow us to be unconditionally in love with those we interact with, bringing out the best scenarios and causing this beautiful harmony to occur. So left palm up, right hand on your heart. I'm going to switch. Here we go. Left hand, right hand on your heart. And I will say the Anahata code for you. If this is the first time, you can go to anahatacodes.com, download the entire modality for free. All right, rose quartz coming at you. And you can learn more about how this is possible there. We ask for, accept, align with, and hold this Anahata code. With gratitude, we attain the assisting frequency of rose quartz. 932-476-832-976-843-968. 932-476-832-976-843-968. 932-476-832-976-843-968. 932-476-832-976-843-968. 932-476-832-976-843-968. 932-476-832-976-843-968. 932-476-832-976-843-968. And then both hands on your heart. And breathe that in. So through your heart chakra, your intention, the code, which gives you vibrational access to the reality you desire through the wormhole in your heart, you are now going to have access to that beautiful vibration, rose quartz, and it's a crystal. So look up the attributes. It's a comprehensive definition. So anything you find out there about it is what you're going to have access to, dynamically activating precisely as needed for highest good, for the purpose of what we just said, which is unconditional love with your relationships. No one will make you happy. No one's going to make you happy. You have to be happy first. And this is a theme that has come across my radar in multiple ways. And it's such a beautiful echoing of the reality of what is, what makes good relationships and what leads to dysfunction. And that is placing your happiness on someone else's shoulder as if it is their responsibility to do all the things you want them to do in order for you to be happy. That is the definition of condition, right? You don't want to be conditional with your love. You don't want it to be only when they check these boxes. You want it to be overflowing and freely given and real and raw and deep and unending and limitless. And that only comes with the parameter of conditionless. So let us stop focusing on the is of what we don't like in our relationships. Let's start celebrating and focusing in on what we do love to amplify that while working on ourselves for the things that perhaps aren't going well, so that we can then mirror that in response through the law of attraction. Unconditional love, baby. That's it. All right, guys. James says, in the now, the past is cherished and the future is forever. Amen. All right, guys. So love you all. I will be back in Colorado Wednesday. Anyway, I'll be doing more. Just wanted to send this out to you all because it crossed my path and I know that there's many of you in need. So anyway, love to you all. God bless you. Talk to you soon. You're welcome, everyone. Yep. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.